that chickens can fly, but not for a long time and not very fast. They can fly up a tree if necessary and make flights between branches. It's surprising. Hens only lay eggs during the day. Wow, the taste of milk directly depends from what the cow ate. It's unbelievable, but a horse considers its owner its best friend. Surprisingly, horses are big coffee drinkers. Amazing! Bees communicate important information to their relatives by dancing. Amazing! Cats have long been taken on board ships to protect luggage from pests. Just imagine, donkeys were the ones who helped build Egyptian pyramids. It's funny, but when llamas are in a bad mood, they show their tongues to one another and spit.